and thank you so much for having me here.
So a lot of parents probably excited for their Kiki to get into kindergarten. What immunizations are required for kindergarten?
So for the start of kindergarten, they will require the following vaccine series to be completed: the pertussis tetanus diphtheria vaccine, hepatitis A and hepatitis B vaccine series, measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, polio vaccine, and then chickenpox vaccination.
Okay, and 7th grade is also a mark where immunizations are required, physical exams. What is required for 7th grade?
So for 7th grade, there are 3 vaccines that are going to be required. The first is the human papillomavirus, or HPV vaccine, and then they get a tetanus, diphtheria, pertussis booster for 7th grade entry, and then last is a meningitis vaccination.
Okay, a lot of parents might wonder what happens with these vaccines. Are there any effects to these?
So I get this question a lot, and one of the things is parents are concerned about any potential side effects. So the good news is that severe side effects are extremely rare from any vaccination. But anytime you get an injection, there's mild side effects that you oftentimes will come to expect. So things like some soreness, some pain, a little bit of swelling at the site of the injection. And then some people may have a little bit of fatigue, maybe a little muscle aches, may even have a low-grade temperature for the first 1 or 2 days after immunization. But an important thing is that if anybody's had a severe allergic reaction to an immunization, you should talk to your primary care provider about getting a referral to an allergist prior to receiving any future vaccinations, just to make sure you're optimizing safety.
What other healthcare items are required for school?
So another great question, because it's not just about immunizations. So for entry into kindergarten and entry into 7th grade, or any student who is new to the state of Hawaii's education system and starting school, needs the following. You have to get a tuberculosis clearance. You also will need a school physical that is at least within 1 year of the start of the school year. And then lastly, it applies to any students that require routine medications that are either given during the school day, or anybody who has a condition that requires emergency medications, such as a child with food allergies who needs that epinephrine auto-injector. So you bring both the medication and then a form with that and bring that to your school.
7th grade is this benchmark. Why is 7th grade so important to get this physical exam?
So one of the things is that over the course of childhood, there are windows of time and windows of opportunity for vaccination. And so children who are entering 7th grade, they're probably between the ages of 11 and 13 years old. And so for those students, there are some vaccines, such as the HPV vaccine or the meningitis vaccine, that they are finally age eligible to receive it. And then it's also an important time for the tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis booster dose. So it's really a matter of that perfect window of opportunity with the age of the child and the grade entry.
For parents that are wanting more information, where can they go to get more info?
So there's a couple of different places. You can go to vax2schoolhawaii.com, and Vax is spelled V-A-X. You can also go to the Department of Health and look up school health requirements. And last, you can go to the Department of Education or your school's individual webpage. And anybody who's unable to download the forms, if you go to the school's administrative front office, they will have paper forms there for you as well.
All right, thank you so much, Dr. Boothia, for joining us this morning, sharing all this info. As a parent, of course, a lot of this stuff, tons of paperwork, it can get overwhelming, so thank you so much for all the info.
Thank you for having me.